In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix website link. Whether you're launching your new site, sharing updates, or simply showcasing your work, knowing how to quickly and effectively share your website link is an essential skill. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of locating and sharing your Wix website link directly from your Wix dashboard. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to share your site with anyone, anywhere. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and log into your Wix account. If you're already logged in, perfect, you're one step ahead. If not, make sure you enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main Wix dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all of your Wix websites, so take a moment to ensure you're on the right page before moving forward. Next, locate the dashboard area that lists all the sites you manage. If you've created multiple websites, you'll see them displayed here. Scroll through the list if necessary to find the specific site you want to share. Click on the site name or thumbnail to open it. This will take you into the editor for that particular website. Once you're in the site editor, look toward the top right corner of the screen there. You'll see a button labeled Publish. This is the key step to making your website live or ensuring any recent changes are updated. Go ahead and click on that Publish button. If your site is already published, clicking this button simply confirms that the latest version of your site is live and ready to be shared. After you click Publish, wait for a confirmation window to pop up. It won't take long, just a few moments. This window is important, as it confirms that your site has been successfully published. It also displays your website's unique URL, which is what you'll use to share your site with others. Now, in that confirmation window, you'll see your website URL clearly displayed. Take a moment to locate it. This is the direct link to your website, and it's what visitors will need to access your site. Once you've found it, highlight the entire URL. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text or by triple-clicking the URL to select it all at once. With the URL highlighted, it's time to copy it. You can do this in one of two ways. Either right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy from the drop-down menu, or use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl-C, and on Mac, press Command-C. Both methods work equally well, so choose whichever one feels more natural for you. Finally, it's time to share your website link. Open the platform where you want to share it. This could be an email, a social media post, a message, or even a document. Once you're ready, paste the link into the desired location. To paste, you can either right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. Double-check that the link looks correct and is clickable, and that's it. Your website link is now ready to be shared with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.